there was a young woman named Liora. She lived inside a tall tower in a place called Moonveil Castle. Liora was a princess, but her life was very quiet and lonely. She did not walk outside. She did not meet people. Most days, she stayed inside the tower and waited. Every morning, Liora woke up early. She sat on her bed and looked around her small room. The room was clean and safe, but it felt empty. She walked slowly to the window and looked outside. From the tower, she could see trees, roads, and small houses far away. She watched people moving and wondered what their lives were like. She often asked herself what it felt like to live freely. Liora spent her days reading simple books and walking slowly around the room. Sometimes she talked to herself because the silence felt too heavy. At night, she looked at the moon and felt calm. The moon made her feel less alone. She believed the moon understood her feelings. Liora lived this way because of her mother, Queen Selene. Queen Selene ruled the land and was very powerful. People respected her and followed her rules. But the queen was not always strict and cold. Long ago, she was kind and loving. She trusted people easily and believed in love. Many years earlier, the queen's husband, the king, went to war. Before leaving, he promised he would return. The queen believed him with all her heart. But the king never came back. Days passed, then months, and then years. There was no news, no message, and no goodbye. This loss broke the queen's heart. After that, Queen Selene stopped believing in love. She told herself that love only brings pain. When she looked at her daughter, she felt fear. She did not want Liora to feel the same sadness. So she made a hard decision. She locked Liora inside the tower to protect her. She believed this was the only way to keep her safe. To make sure no one could take Liora away, the queen made a rule. Any man who wanted to marry Princess Liora had to pass 3 very difficult trials. These trials were meant to stop people from trying. Many men came in the beginning. Some were strong. Some were rich. Some were brave. But all of them failed. Slowly, people stopped coming, and the tower became quiet again. Far away from Moonveil Castle, in a small and peaceful kingdom, lived a young man named Rowan. He was a prince, but he lived a simple life. He liked walking among people and listening to their stories. He believed kindness was more important than power. One night, Rowan had a dream. In the dream, he saw a tall tower and a young woman standing at a window. She looked sad but hopeful. She did not cry or speak loudly. She only looked at him and made him feel that she was waiting for help. When Rowan woke up, his heart felt heavy. He could not forget her face. The next morning, Rowan spoke to his father. His father warned him about Moonveil Castle and the Queen's trials. He told Rowan that many men had gone there and never returned. Rowan listened carefully, but he felt something strong inside him. He knew he had to go. Rowan left his home and started his long journey. Some days were easy, and some days were very hard. He felt tired, hungry, and afraid at times, but he continued walking. On the road, he met a big man named Munch, who loved food and had a kind heart. Rowan shared his food with him, and Munch decided to travel with him. Later, Rowan met a man named Echo, who listened closely to the ground and could hear sounds from far away. Then he met Reach, a man with very long arms who could grab things others could not. After that, he met Vision, a man who could see very far and notice hidden paths. Finally, he met Chill, a man who carried cold carefully and used it wisely. Each of them chose to help Rowan because he treated them with respect. Together, they reached Moonveil Castle. Queen Selene looked at them with cold eyes. She gave them the 3 trials, believing they would fail. But Rowan and his friends worked together. They helped each other when they were tired. They stayed calm when things became difficult. Slowly and carefully, they passed every trial. In the end, the queen tried one last thing. She used magic and fear to stop Rowan and took Liora away. But Liora was not forgotten. Her voice was heard. Her path was seen. She was found and brought back safely. When Queen Selene saw her daughter again, she began to cry. She finally understood that her fear had caused more pain than love ever could. Rowan spoke gently to her. He told her that love is not always easy, but life without love is empty. The queen listened and understood. The tower door was opened. Light entered the dark space. Liora walked outside for the first time in her life. She felt the air on her face and the ground under her feet. She smiled, not because everything was perfect, but because she was finally free. From that day, Moonveil Castle felt warm again. The tower was no longer a prison. And Liora's life finally began.